Hello and good morning, and welcome back to my channel. It's Rider again with another vlog. Today I'm going out of my comfort zone and heading to a rally event organized by the Hero Motocorp. I am going towards Hosur, maybe around 70 kilometers from my place. So it's a free registration event. So I'm gonna meet up with new people and head out, and it's gonna be a fun day. So without wasting much time, let's head out. Hello and good morning once again. I'm back on the road. The meetup point is 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹, which is about 17 kilometers from my house. Crazy shiz. There is enough fuel. I'll definitely go there and get checked. By the way, I'm meeting up with a pro YouTuber. His name is Nihal, the Savage Biker. He has around 9k subscribers. So he was the one who actually told us about this event, and we are going because we have to listen to the pro people. And by the way, the mic conundrum is not getting over at all. I did a lot of troubleshooting, and I came to a conclusion that my GoPro 9 is faulty.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
As you can see, I've borrowed a GoPro Hero 7 from my friend, and I'm using that. And I tried a lot of mics in this, and everything is working perfect. Of course, the stability and the wind noise, that will be there because GoPro 9 is much advanced. But no crackling, but no cracking and popping sounds. So I've got the GoPro 7 on my helmet, and I've got the 9 here. You can see it.
Congratulations, brother. Congratulations.
7:30 was the meetup. It's already 7:12. Anyways, let's focus on the road and try reaching faster.
That's what she said.
Done fueling my tank and the boiler here. So we are headed, I think, around 50 kilometers from here. New X-Pulse. Oh, full exhaust change. Look at the button tires. Whoa. Look at the way these guys are riding. Everyone is a heavy rider, man. I'm a fucking noob in front of these guys. I hope, I think maybe like 20-30 minutes to be reaching. See you guys directly at the event. So let's rock and roll. Basic event. I think eventually people will come. And this is the track we're supposed to crack.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
Number 64.
Jump with the biceps. நீங்க ரொம்ப கொஞ்சம்
They gave us free food and refreshment. Full branding for Hero Xtracks. So we are loyal customers. They should treat us properly. Hey, what beautiful camping scenes and all. Guitar left.
While my guitar gently weeps.
Ooh, look at the rally edition. Look at the buttons. We're waiting for our turn to come. I think it's still the 15 to 20 batch. My number is 64. It's a very basic event, but at least they're trying to do something. Hero Strike really hard to make it big in the off-road segment. Full pro riders. Some GG rider had a fall. He's got hurt. Briefing time.
Hello guys. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Hero Xtracks.
It's time for me to go.
मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो
ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?
ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು.
Oh, I'm getting a rally edition one, dude. Fuck.
Language.
Which bike was that which had a fall, man?
ரெண்டு பேர் ரைடர்
I think this is the bike which had the fall. Oh, look at the damage, dude, on the bike. I'll try to go extremely slow.
That's what she said.
Haryana bikes. Okay, we're headed. I go. Oh. Hoo. Now keeping the leg down.
అబ్బా లాటరీ.
One lap down. Two more to go. It's fun, it's fun.
That's what she said.
I'll do relax.
क्या गुंडा बनेगा रे तू?
Without the foot peg, it's fucking nice, dude.
Language.
These button tires are fucking too GG on this track.
Language.
Over last lap, I'm almost done. Done. Yes. Whew. That was fun. Okay, it was a super eventful day. Did a lot of adventure and got to meet a lot of people as well. So anyways, it's Rock and Rider signing off from another vlog. Bye bye.